Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. Today I am working on my garden bed here. This is the garden bed that came with the house. This is 8 foot by 24 foot. I definitely want to add more garden beds in later this season, but right now my main priority is getting this one operational. So as you can see here, it had these landscaping ties all the way around the outside. Now for the majority of it, especially on this far side over here, those landscaping ties were completely rotted out, and most layers on near the back and farther down this side were all rotted out as well. Now I'd like to replace those, but for time constraints this year and just trying to get some things going here, I'm going to forego doing the landscaping ties, and I'm just going to get everything cleaned up here. This is a lot of grass clippings and leaves and things like that, some junk from the previous owner. This house sat vacant for a few years, so I think everything that was generated in the yard with the lawn care was just tossed on here, and I'm going to save that material and compost it, but just it's too much here for this garden bed. And then also here, you can see right up front here, there's some river rocks that someone must have dumped in here at one point as well. What I'm planning on doing is getting some new topsoil and adding it in here. It needs more dirt anyways, especially with the removal of all that pile of junk. And I'll put that in, might till it a little bit, and then I'm going to run this garden bed for this year. I'm hoping to add some more in, like I said, later, some more raised beds, but just going to kind of do the best I can with what I have. Also here, you can kind of see some of my containers from my garden last year. I did do a tour on that at the old townhouse. If I'll put a link in the corner up there and you can take a look at it. But definitely a big improvement. You can see all the space I have there compared to the space I have now. I'm definitely trying to add some more in later. So that's all I have today. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.